Object property, ripple fill type. With this tool, we can add more than one nodes in stitch direction. Here, we have one object. Now, we will apply the direction from Bezier tool. We will add directions from both sides. Now, select both line and open Object Property Filling Parameters and select Ripple Fill Type. Now, select the object and set Multipal Direction, and should set the direction in cross. Select both objects and press Ctrl+W key. Now, apply ripple fill. Now, we will change stitch spacing. Here, you can see, ripple fill is not set properly. Now, change the direction to set properly. We can set spacing as per our needs, and set ripple fill by giving both side directions.